Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace DDR3 RAM. First, let's prepare. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components. Always remember to power down your computer completely and unplug every cable before you begin. Then, carefully remove the side panel of your computer case, usually held by 2 or 3 screws, to access the internal components. Now, let's locate your existing RAM. Look for the long, thin sticks plugged into slots on your motherboard, usually positioned close to the central processing unit. To remove a stick, gently push outwards on the 2 small retention clips located at each end of the RAM slot. Once both clips are open, the RAM module will slightly lift, allowing you to carefully pull it straight out without forcing it. Installing your new DDR3 RAM is straightforward. First, carefully align the notch on your new RAM stick with the corresponding notch in the motherboard slot. This ensures it's oriented correctly. Then, place the RAM stick into the slot and apply firm, even pressure to both ends until you hear the 2 retention clips on either side snap securely into place. This indicates the RAM is properly seated. With your new RAM installed, it's time to finish up. Carefully replace the side panel of your computer case and secure it with its original screws. Reconnect all the cables you unplugged earlier, including your power cord, monitor, and any peripherals. Finally, power on your computer. You can then check your system information to confirm that the new RAM capacity is correctly recognized and functioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.